Ka Plie Meghalaya mentakasngi ar Plie tarik jemang kelapli patba ya ka office terekam Nongpoh downgate ka beratip kum ka Prime Startup Hub. Ka jingpli ya ka office jong ka Prime Nongpoh ka long bandang penyar bat penjan syaki patba. Ya kate ketna terekam jong ka Plie Meghalaya lawan penpli patba do uba Jonathan Shillong, Additional Deputy Commissioner Riboy District Kumukongsan, ha ka jingdon lang uba Canning Star Nongrum, Administrative Head ka Prime Hub, Upranjal Konwar, Chief Operating Officer ka IIM CIP, uba Sylvester Mensong rang Bashnong ka Nongpoh, ka Kong Merisha Toys Center Manager ka Prime Hub Nongpoh, kinong sengkam sengjam lajong bat kiwe kiri rang ba. Kumban shu pentip ka Plie Meghalaya ka de bala penmi de ka Sarkar Meghalaya haus nam arajar khat khandai ban kershan ban kentiu ya kinong sengkam lajong.
Nagwa ban ong yepi kini kinong Shillong Khubor boy. Ini di Samla juga terang dan lagi kamu jom. Kini ke kapuk siar yepi. Kumbala ong ikom. Aiba kini office Prime dan long pun kaya jumpi. Kebala pun urlong iki jing angut jumpi. Nama berpitik ni baru mata. Kini it's a fact. Ba hak state jumpi lani anywhere else. Kasarkar kamla ban aikam ya bago kisabajani. No matter what your qualification, give don ke capacity ya government jomni ban aikam ya pi barok. That is why in such a situation, we don't bok adon the prime. Kaban yarap ban pen ilenti ya pi. Ban ayah motivation, ban ayah exposure, ban ayah training, kajing salok langkum no pi la ban pensan yaki business yaki kadang ka kumbaga ong kadang ka buksya lagi kinong Shillong Khubor boy bat nak ketujuh pi bandra kadang Khubor syaki perlok jumpi pakin wan yashim mentalang ban share the ideas to being a Prime will be able to help you and yarap yaki ban pensan ban penhe ban penkir yaki business ideas jumpi. Ini na office jom DC ni indon hasinda joki indon gino bijik ni la menyerap pi deploy menyerap pi maybe entrepreneurs barong as you are research and I'm very happy to finally hear and see for the first time.